Okay, so I've been painting uh Marvel Zombicide because I just got Galactus the Devourer in, and I'm trying to get enough minis painted to play heroes and zombies. So the first one I painted was Mr. Fantastic. The second one I painted was Spider-Man. That's the human version. The undead I have Beast, and I have uh Captain Marvel, the undead one. And then recently I've been kind of doing like a blind pull where I just kind of close my eyes, pull it. So I pulled Elektra for the human version, and then for the dead people I got to paint still. We got Thor, and then I just pulled Rhino to make the team of four. And I tell you what, these models are just so cool. And then Galactus, I don't know even know if I can do him on video because his whole point of like his body and stuff, I think all need to be airbrushed. But for this video, we're gonna do the tree, which uh, I'm trying to get better at the camera. So we're just gonna paint the brown. The trying to watch paint and do it through the camera, and it's kind of hard, but I think I can do it. It's a very weird sensation looking through the camera and painting, but I'm just trying to keep this stuff on, like, in focus. So far, the videos have been looking better and better. Most of the videos you see, I will post, and they will be just audio, like music. I'm not a big talker, but sometimes I get in the mood to talk. But this game, I want to play this game bad. I've just recently got the last expansion, and again, Galactus the Devourer came 2 days ago, and I tell you what, that was a huge box. And buy, I didn't get the Kickstarter through him. I had to buy him through Game Steward, and I tell you what, it took them a while to ship it, but I am very pleased with how it came. But I just recently finished that whole collection. I think I still have to buy the Artist Series, which is like not too expensive, so I do want to get that because then I'll have pretty much everything. I still won't have some of the models because there was Kickstarter exclusive ones that you could have bought, but I ended up buying the boxes through retail anyways, and I'm like, I've got more than enough heroes. I think I counted out as 70. It was in the 70s for heroes and zombies, and it just that was gonna take me a while just to play through. Oh, Hulk was the other human side. I painted Hulk, and they're on my Instagram. That's another thing I'm trying to get used to is painting this thing and not hitting the camera. I switched my tray and my water to the left side, and I'm not used to doing that. I'm used to crossing my arms when I clean out my brush. Oh, no, 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 no. I just hit a leg. Accidentally hit a leg with the brown. I was like, oh, shit. It's so hard to get some of these awesome detail on them. Sometimes it's just hard to get into those hard to reach spots. So I do the best I can for what I can see and how to get to it. Keep hitting the camera. Yeah, I'll probably end up putting it back on the other side. I can see better. So I'm using TT Combat's Matte Brown for the tree trunk, and then for this little bamboo thing, I'm going to use Mummified Khaki. And then for the tree, the base of the trees, I'm going to use Jungle Shadow Green. And then, we'll see. And then if you see closely, I did get her eyes done. And still hardest to, that thing is, the eyes are still hard to do, but they come out looking good, and I'm satisfied with them. It's just one of the things that takes so much time to do his eyes. I want to get better at doing eyes, but I'm not sure how to get better at doing the small eyes like on these models. I mean, half the time people ain't even gonna pay attention to them. Tempted not to paint eyes, but then it just doesn't look complete. There goes the camera again. No. Don't guys give you seasickness because the camera's bobbing up and down. But yeah, this game, I love the zombicide games. My second favorite one is the Undead West. It's the Western version of zombicide. I wanted to do the White Death Kickstarter, but at the time I just didn't have the cash to do it, which was sad. Because that one looked cool because it pretty much used the characters from Dynasty Warriors that looked like it. So we're just gonna get the green for the base of the trees. Ooh, yeah, it's gonna look nice with highlights. Now again, I'm probably gonna do some stuff off camera just so it can get done. And this one will be kind of a short video, but next time you see it, I'll have all the trees done, maybe some highlights on them. Maybe I'll come back and do the final touches up on the last video. Maybe we'll just make these like 4-part videos. But other than that, yeah, let's check out the other videos I got. I'm gonna be painting more of these on video, and then yeah, see y'all next time. But that's what the trees will look like, and then yeah, she'll look pretty good when she's done. Let me get better focus on that. Yeah, looks pretty good. I'm happy with her. Looks good. See you next time. Bye.